Okay, we're going to do a quick midweek security check down the cabin, make sure everything's okay. Chucking it down. Anyway. So probably going to get absolutely drenched, but we've got to do it, got to be done. It's not that bad actually, quite pleasant out, quite mild. I think all the property, all the land which was for sale around my wood, around the wooded area, has now been sold. Ooh. It was going cheap because it's been chopped down, so there's no actual woodland there. You're just buying, well, I don't know what you're buying, you're just buying ground. There's no building land. That'll never happen. So with what I have got, I'm very lucky. I've got quite a few trees, about 70 trees, and we've planted, well, you know what we've done if you followed the videos, we've planted around about 500 oak trees and whatever else we got there, so it's quite good. So I've got my phone on a hold at the moment, but it's bouncing around with Billy out, so I'll wait till we get there. You know, I was telling you we got a new owner to the woodland. Well, this is what he's done, which is brilliant. He's turned the gate round the other way so it opens inwards, and he's made himself a little pull-in. Fair play. His name is, well, fair play to you. I'm not going to say his names, but there you go. Right, so this, I think this is called a video vlog, or a vlog, is it? Just a video log. So I don't know if I'm going to do any more of these. Let me know in the comments down below. And I'll tell you why in a sec. I'll turn the camera around, jump over the fence and check my video vlog. One of the reasons why, let's have a look, this is where we are. Which side am I? Over here. Can't even see it, can you? What this bloke has done is amazing, which is great because it makes us easier for access. So you see the gravel he's put down, the hardcore, and the gates around the other way. Okay, so this is really a shout out to all my subscribers, I've got to say. Fantastic, thank you very much. I've just hit 9,000 subscribers, which I was not expecting that at all. And the way the channel's growing, I'm just going to keep going because I just actually love doing it. So I've got to give, you know, a shout out to all you guys and gals, because without that it does help a little bit, which is fantastic. I mean, I've got quite a few followers who are actually very, how can I put this, on the ball when it comes to giving comments, and some funny ones as well. Chris Needham for a start. Thank you, Chris. Funky, Ian, Sarah, there's Andy. Oh, there's thousands. Sorry, I'm walking. I know I'm a bit judgy. This is. So yeah, without you guys, yeah, well, would the channel be going? I do not know. I mean, because I get paid on the amount of ads on the channel, which is not a great deal, but enough to buy bits and bobs just to keep going. SD cards, batteries, stuff like that. That's all we need. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to get down the cabin. The reason I'm come to check it just for security, and that bloke up there is going to make a big difference, because it's good down here anyway, because there's no public right of way, there's no public footpath, there's nothing. It's just me in the wood. So yeah, if he comes as well, that means another som. We've got this part of the land over here. All this is gone, but we don't know who owns it. Well, we've got the name of the person, but we never see them. So whether they're just going to leave it to self-generate, it's already been planted. There's another one. Where are we? Oh, where I can't see them. Right over there. And Yeah, they've got a caravan there, which is fine, no problem at all. We never see them, never see anybody. Oh, oops, my big finger in the way there. Right, so probably flip you around again. Probably get a bit bored. So this is a video vlog, my first. If you want me to carry on with these, I don't know, just give us a shout and let me know. I don't know if I'm any good at them. Not when you're in front of the camera, behind the camera and they don't see you, it's a bit different. Right, so I'm going to flip you around. Sorry, there we go. And we'll have a look at the cabin, make sure it's okay. I just missed the path, it had grown over that much, look. You can only just make out, probably going to get drenched now, aren't I? Here we go, right. See? Can you see it yet? If you just look, just see the tip of the top. Tip of the top? Top of the tip, tip of the top. So it's going to get wet. I'm soaking. Oh well, never mind. Just checking. It's so grown, overgrown, grown over. Either way, let's have a look. Look at this. Right. Here we go. Right, all good. I think. Yeah. Painted the bench the other day. I don't know if I've shown you that. Painted that. So all looks good. I need to. When we bought the cabin, it was soaking wet, and you can see that it's actually shrunk a bit. This is 22 mil thick. We've got to get the guttering up yet as well. Right, so a quick check inside, and then back to the van. Okay, all good. Onions hanging up, lights on. Okay, so as well over the summer period, because we're working at school, that we're breaking up in just under 2 weeks. I've got to work the first week. We've got some new printers coming in, so as I'm in IT, I've got to fix them. But I want to get this finished, and I mean finished. I want to make it look smart, like the back wall, but all tidied up. All this done, all the back wall done. I get now we can get back down to the shops. Yeah, so all this wants to be finished off, almost to the point where we could actually stay the night in it, which would be absolutely amazing. Some other sort of good news, bad news, but good news I'm going to put it is, let me just good news is that I've actually emailed where my boat is stored, and I've got permission. Now Wales has sort of not lifted any bans, but with Drive, that I can go and pick the boat up, which I need to do because it's been down there now 6 months and we haven't been down. No, it's not quite 6 months, is it? I can't remember now. Whenever this lockdown started, plus before, which was winter. Yeah, it's got to be. It's not been in the water, so I need to go down, pick it up, bring it back, anti-foul it, clean it, service the engine, and then we'll see what happens. See if we can get back down there, but I don't think we will. And I've still got the dinghy, so that's good news. We've had to email them, name, phone numbers, address, name of the boat and everything, and then they said to us, yep, come and pick it up. You cannot stay, you cannot do an overnighter, you can't use the toilets, there's no water, there's no facilities, you don't touch anything, you're in and out. So that's good news. Bad news, but good news, because I'll bring the boat back. So I'll show you that. Sorry, picking my nose, I've got an itch. And that's it really. So the cabin and the boat, that's next on the agenda. Anything else I can think of? I can't think at the moment. We're going to do this, probably get Mr. Shower going. I want to build this little bit of a shed for him. And I want to build a little bit of a shed, probably combine both, for Mr. Potty there. There he is. Mr. Porter Potty, or yeah, the loo. And that's it really for now. Got tons to do. Thanks very much for joining me. Like I said, the main reason for this video was thanking all my subscribers and everyone that leaves comments on my channel, because it's now hit 9,000. Next one is the biggie, which is 10,000. And then, yeah, let's keep going. Thank you very much indeed. Really do appreciate it. Take care. Catch you in the next vlog or next video.